Hi, Joelle.
Hello.
You done eating your breakfast? You all ready for school?
Yeah.
Let's see that backpack. Show mommy the backpack. Ooh, New York Mets. You got a nice outfit on there for your first day of school. What's those eyes you give me? I'm gonna take a look at those sneaks. Ooh, look how fresh you're looking. Alright, you ready to get on that bus?
Yeah.
Who's your best friend this year? Tell me who your best friend is. What? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Who's your best friend this year?
Bryce.
Bryce? Alright, say bye to the camera. I'll record you getting onto the bus. Say love you, mommy.
Love you.
Tell me you love me.
Love.
Alright.
Do we really have to do